My name is Michael Coleman. This is my grandfather, Richard Stanley. He resides in the farm community in Carolina Shores, North Carolina. On September 6th of 2019, as Hurricane Dorian was approaching the North Carolina coastline, a tornado hit this community. And as you can see, there was pretty substantial property damage from the wind. And my grandfather had the Storm Stopper product installed on his windows, and as we will show you, they did a fantastic job protecting his windows. If you'll come around here, we'll show you what we mean. And as we approach this side of the house, you'll see that the wind took off a pretty substantial portion of this vinyl siding here. But this window had the Storm Stopper installed, and as you can see, there's no damage to the window whatsoever. The Storm Stopper performed beautifully. Let's go around to the back side of the house. And as we come around to the back, this sunroom was entirely enclosed by screen, all of which has been blown away by the tornado. But we have a series of windows here, all of which had the Storm Stopper installed. And as you can see, there's no damage to the windows whatsoever. Let's come around here. All of these windows had the Storm Stopper installed as well. There's no damage to the windows whatsoever. And as we come around here, I'd like to show you a window where we have not removed the Storm Stopper yet, since the tornado happened. And I'm going to remove the Storm Stopper now.
I'll put it here.
As you can see on this window as well, no damage whatsoever. The Storm Stopper performed very well. Let me show you the Storm Stopper piece. We know that this Storm Stopper took some impacts and nothing penetrated. Did a fantastic job. To summarize, we highly recommend the Storm Stopper product. It did a fantastic job protecting my grandfather's windows from the tornado, and we highly recommend the product. Thank you.